So reaction to what you just heard.
I think I know what your asshole looks like from the inside now. God. He's like, I'm thinking I'm not safe.
Really?
Oh man, I wasn't sure something was coming up. I could see the contents of your stomach.
So that's 2 good belches you've had.
Oh, sorry. Oh. Excuse me.
So I guess you could say we're just a gassy couple.
You name it and tame it, and I'll buy the peanuts. Oh, that was its offspring. Man, bark at me again. You're not gonna bite me, you son of a bitch. Oh my God. So classy. We're so classy. We are so classy. In this case. What the? WTF MF? Oh. My God. I had no idea you could store that much gas.